Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set work schedules in Time Doctor. Now the first thing I want you to do is log into your dashboard and then come to the top, click on settings, and usually you will not see schedules here by default. You want to first come to company settings, click on that, and then from the left hand panel, click on configuration, okay? And under here you scroll down, you'll see use schedules. Make sure it's toggled on like this. And then, right, you can come here, click on settings. You should see the option right here, schedules. I want you to click on schedules. And now the way you go ahead and create a schedule, you can click here, okay? Add or edit schedule. So go ahead and click on that. And then you can select, of course, your date range. So we'll just do this range right here. This is just an example of a CSV file you could go ahead and upload as well. Okay, so you just come here. You can select, of course, the users to schedule, say both of these, right? And you choose the shift. So you come here, you add a shift, click on the plus icon. You choose from what time to what time they work. Let's say they do from 8 a.m. right here, and they do it till 12 p.m., right? We'll do it till that time. That's one shift for them. Let's go ahead and make that. Minimum required hours. This is optional. You can set it up as well. Okay, let's say they have to do 2 hours minimum. Click here on save. Okay, this is an optional thing. And once that is done, as you can see, it has been saved. So these are their schedules, right? You can, of course, add it with a CSV as well. Really that easy. And that is how to set work schedules in Time Doctor.